Japanese finals are in a matter of days, and today I'm going to organize my books. Hi, I'm a high school student studying Japanese. Today I'm going to show you what books I used to study Japanese and which books you should use as well. But first, let me tell you a story. When I first started studying Japanese, I was not serious about studying it. I did not even know that it was a language that people could study outside of apps like Duolingo. Because of this, I saw other people reviewing the books they used, but no high school students. Until I had to pick up a language, I didn't know that I would be able to study Japanese. And the rest is history. I started formally studying Japanese a few months ago, so I'm going to walk you through which books I'm using now. First of all, I used the book Genki 1. It's the gold standard, the beginner textbook that a lot of us use. What I should have done when I started using this was to either join a study group or use the full free self-study page, the Japan Times website, but instead, this book stayed on my shelf for months before I actually started using it. So not every language you start studying immediately. When I got this, I was sick of using Duolingo app and wanted to know how to learn faster. Fast forward a few months and I actually started using it. Let me show you what I have in here. First of all, this book has a lot of practice that you can do from anywhere. This is perfect if you want to review the concepts in them. Like any textbook, Genki 1 is extremely information dense, which is why it takes universities months to cover it. I have a few textbooks I bought which were supplemental, but the ones I think are the most important to have are Tongo and 5. I keep this book around whenever I see tricky words in the Genki workbook and textbook, and use it for extra Genki vocabulary review because it has some vocabulary that is not available in Genki. And that's all I have today. If you like this video, check out one of these other videos I have. Bye!